Hey, how's it going? My name is Tony and I have been working on my 2003 Ford Mustang regular V6. I was trying to figure out what was wrong with my AC. I helped a friend help me out, try to troubleshoot some things using a circuit tester. So we tested out the low pressure and the high pressure switches located right there where the compressor and the clutch meet on the actual compressor itself. And then he used the circuit tester to test the bottom high pressure switch out, which is located pretty much right here where my finger's at, little cord right here. So we tested that out, that was good. Then he went ahead and tested out this is called a cycling clutch switch. It's usually located on the canister where it holds the Freon. Tested that out, that was good. So tested out all three areas where typically parts, you know, they go bad. None of those seem to kick my compressor on. So what he did was he attached two wires to the clutch, the low pressure connector right here, and he kind of jump started it onto the battery and it kicked my compressor on. So when he did that, he figured out that it can only be one other thing, which is a constant control relay module, which unfortunately is located in an area where you're gonna have to remove the tire. See, so I removed the tire, removed the inside fender, the inside panel right here, and then I went ahead and replaced. This is the new black one right here. It's easy. It's you pretty much unscrew the wire set right here. There's a little bolt right here in the center. Just unscrew it until it loosens. You take it off, and then in order to get the actual constant control relay module off, you have to take two bolts off, one located at the bottom, one located right behind here. So you'll see it once you take this little the wire off right here. And then once you do that, take that off, there's two little bolts right here that hold the CCRM on to the little the area right here, the bracket. So there's a bolt right here and there's a bolt caddy corner on the back far end, just two bolts. And then you replace it. This is the old one, obviously, that I took off. You notice that's the original part number right there. Obviously 2002, dating back. But I went ahead and went through AutoZone. Thank goodness, they were the cheapest. And yeah, they were the cheapest. We pretty much found a good part right here. There's the actual number. It was kind of difficult to find in AutoZone, so they had to type that in. So make sure they type it in so they can find it. So going back to replacing it, went ahead and attached it onto the bracket, then attached the bracket back onto the car, then went ahead and attached the wiring piece back on, then screwed the center bolt in to where it locks real good. Once I did all that, keep in mind your battery, make sure you unplug it. I had it unplugged throughout the entire time I was doing this work, and then I put it back on. So once I put it back on, I turned the ignition switch on and my AC works. The clutch kicked in, the compressor works, everything's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and check the pressures real quick on my AC unit because it's been out for almost a month. And there you have it, 2003 Ford Mustang constant control relay module replacement. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Share it, please. Again, there was an outdated one on there, but I didn't see a 2003 model on there, so I went ahead and just wanted to update y'all. Now I'm gonna go and put the tire back on, drop the car, and go take my car out for a nice drive in my cool AC. Y'all have a great one.